$500 to $10,000 monthly for just writing. If you can read and write right now, I want to show you a process with Amazon KDP, how you can make up to $500 to $10,000 monthly revenue without even a lot of stress or by yourself at the comfort of your room with just the writing materials. My name is Joshua and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to share this amazing information with you. One of the things I look at for my audience and for you guys is to bring you guys amazing opportunities that can help you make money online at the comfort of your house. And today I'm bringing to you a simple step-by-step strategy. Maybe you've heard about Amazon KDP, but I'm about to review a simple process to the whole business model and how you can also leverage in it to make a lot of money for yourself. I was reading through an article recently and I saw someone making up to $20,000 in a month selling just documented information on Amazon. And I want to show you how you can do this all by yourself just in case you don't know how. And even if you've been doing it, there are information I'm going to share with you today that will help expose a lot of information for you, inside secrets that will help you make a lot more using Amazon KDP. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm also going to give you access to one of the amazing programs that will change everything for you, even if you're already doing it or if you want to start doing this business model. All right, so welcome back. Let's get started. What is Amazon KDP? So Amazon is basically the biggest e-commerce platform in the world right now. I mean, the billions of transactions that happen on that platform every quarter of the year is crazy, and it's very important that you also tap into it. But I mean, aside selling physical products and all those products, do you know that it's very possible for you to just put up a 20-page document that has a specific information, put it on Amazon for 100% free of charge? You don't need to even pay to do that. Just create a free account. I'm going to show you guys very soon. And then publish the book as a document. I mean, digital document, PDF, right? And when you are done uploading it as a PDF, anytime someone places order to buy that book from Amazon, Amazon will print the book for you and then help you ship it to their location and then pay you your money. And it's super amazing. It's super amazing. I'm going to cover this information with you and show you how it really works. But first of all, I'm going to take you to Amazon. We'll do a little bit practical, right? We'll look through what is obtainable in the space, and I'm going to show you how you can start up this business model for yourself. Okay, if I go, I'm going to share my screen right now and I want to show you the exact way you can start leveraging on this opportunity to make money for yourself. So basically, let's go to amazon.com, and that's basically what you're seeing on my screen right now. And if I go to amazon.com, I will just click this button by the sidebar, and I'm going to click Kindle ebooks and books. Let's look at books available there, and I'm going to click Kindle, right? You can see Kindle books. Let's click on Kindle books, and then it's going to open up for us. Now, this is basically a store of books. It has books for different categories. Books that are talking about different things. Some of them are just specific things. But today, I want to show you how these people are making this kind of money and how also you can make this kind of money for yourself. And I'm also going to teach you a specific strategy. So before I even go to the point of creating an account, which I'm going to show you right now, let's just get to it immediately. Let's go over here. So this is kdp.amazon.com, right? I just created a fresh account now, and you can see that I have not even updated my profile, my account information, like my banking details and all of those stuff to like cash out, right, when I make sale, right? But this is basically a fresh account that I'm showing right now. I want to show you how your account will look like when you create a new account. So you just go to kdp.amazon.com. in the description, the link will be in the description of this video, so make sure you check it out. And then you click on create. There's a big button here, create, and basically you have to update your information like your address, your legal name, and all of those basic information. It's really not a very stressful process. And then you could upload Kindle books or even paperbacks or even hardcover books if you have a hardcover book, or a book if it's a series. But basically what you want to go for this option is to create an ebook, right? Now if I click on create an ebook, you choose your language, choose your book title, choose your book subtitle. If there are series to it, you choose it, edition number if there is, then your author, the author's name, the contributors name if they are contributors, and put up description accept the copyright issue, because I mean Amazon needs to really clear you and be super sure that this digital product you're uploading doesn't have any copyright issue. Put in your keywords, category, the age range, which is the age range that this book is meant for. That's if it applies to the kind of book you're uploading. And then if you want to be pre-order and all of those stuff, then you save and continue. It's basically a very simple process. I'm not going to continue this part. If you go to the Kindle ebook content, this is where you now upload the Kindle book, the ebook material you have, and every of the details about the book, ISBN, and all of those stuff. And then in the ebook pricing, that's where you now put in the pricing of your ebook, and then you publish. This is basically the whole simple process. But the interesting part is not about uploading. You could basically upload like 10,000 books here if you want, but the goal is making money off it. You could, I mean, this is a very simple process. I just showed you how you can do it. And this is exactly what these people who have their books showing here did. And I'm going to show you how you can do it and categories you need to look out for and how you're going to leverage and make a lot of money off this single process. You're going to make a lot of money if you follow my instructions. Now, the instruction one is, before you write an article or write a book, first of all, I want you to know that this book you're going to write needs to be short and direct to the point. You don't want to pick a 5,000 page book, right? You don't want to pick up a 5,000 page book and then upload it on Kindle. I mean, who is going to really like spend a lot of time reading those things? I mean, people's attention span is low. Not like people don't read books, people read books right now, but you really want to keep it direct to the point, and you want to focus on the subject topic. What some of my friends do is that they pick up their physical book, while those are written big books, and then just pick a particular angle in that book, maybe a chapter, develop it into a 20 to 30 page book, and then bundle it and upload there with a specific topic. That's one. So you want to make it very simple. You don't want to make it very voluminous, and it could cut across anything. It could even be how to train a cat. I'm going to show you guys. Let's do a chart, right? Let's do cat training. I just want to show you something very simple. You're going to see people writing books on the trainable cat. I mean, a lot of weird stuff that you think like, who is going to buy this stuff? But Amazon is a global platform. People around the world make purchases from Amazon every single day. So imagine somewhere is looking for how to train their cat. People are really going to search out for a lot of things. So let's basically go to, right? Let's go to Google and type best selling book keywords, right? Let's just type it. Now let's just do a very quick search, right? I hope I'm going to see that. I'll basically show you guys other amazing secret platforms you can use to like get books that are really selling on Amazon, and books you need to look out for, right? So books around top niches, let's look at it together. Holiday, seasonal stuff, age-related stuff, movies, special event. Okay, let's go back to Amazon. So let's type things that have to do with holidays. Let's type holidays. And now you have people writing books. I just want to show you, this one is selling it at 99 cents. This is $2.99. As simple as this book, Holiday Row. And I mean, super simple books. If you go to the categories, you can see categories on art and photography. So there is nothing about information that you can't say here. So if you have an idea, you have an information somewhere that you really want to monetize, something you know about some specific things. It might not even be stuff you know, it might be stuff that you read online. Or sometimes what people do is that they go to Upwork, look for a writer, probably look for a writer in Nigeria, which is basically affordable. No matter the country you're in, if you go to Upwork, look for Nigerian writers, they are super amazing, and of course affordable for you too. Now hire them to write a book for you, maybe on nutrition, how to diet, how to plan your diet meals, and I mean it could be literally anything. How to manage your phone and make your phone not to spoil. It could be literally anything, but really there are keywords and amazing trendy topics that people really look out for to buy products and services online. So you want to really like focus on those stuff. I mean, if you're a very romantic person, right, you could even pick up materials and write stuff around romance, right? Sorry, I misspelled that word. Yeah, romance, right? And you're going to see a lot of books pop up. You can see this, right? People are really selling stuff around romance. I mean, any topic at all you could literally think of. It could even be conspiracy theories, right? It could be any topic at all you want to put out. How to manage your baby for pregnant, what to do in the first 30 days of your pregnancy, no matter the niche you are, no matter what you know, you just bundle up a 20 to 30 page ebook. And once you've done that, there are things I want you to look out for. It's not even about the book itself, it's about marketing the book. And that's where I want to draw your attention to, right? So if you come to Amazon, if you want to look at for products that are going to do very well, you want to look at for bestsellers already. What is it that bestsellers are doing already that you want to spend a lot of time doing? If your book is in English, you want to focus on English. Let's look for amazing products. Let's look for stuff that has to do with something so weird, right? Let's look at this. Romance. Yeah, we're in the romance category, right? Which is so weird, very weird. And then let's look for a book. This is $3. Now, what we're going to do is, if you're going to write a book about a particular category, you want to look at for the best-selling products in those categories. That's exactly what you want to do. Bestsellers. Bestsellers are very, very powerful. Let's look for limited products, right? Let's basically like clear our search category. Let's be super open, right? And make searches. Let's do all departments, and then we're going to make a search. Blank search. Oh, let's go back. Sorry. Let's go back again. Sorry about this. Kindle books. Kindle books. Cool. Now, let's look at these bestsellers on Amazon. These are original books. Rich Blood, Robert, whoever it is, and all of those stuff. Let's look for something so very simple, so very simple. Let's look for a comic book, children's book. I mean, children's book even sell. So if you have children in your house, I mean, stuff as simple as these things, right? We're going to see right now. Let's look at this book, and this book deals with children, the NJ experiment, and this is like $1, right? I'm going to show you multiple examples. So if you're going to write a book in a particular category, let's say children's book, you want to come here and look for the bestsellers, best-selling products in these categories, best-selling products in these categories, and then you begin to look at the title of their book. What are they titling their book? What are they calling their book? Now, that's number one. Now you look at their cover designs. What is it that made their book to sell? I mean, the first thing people see on Amazon KDP before they make purchases is the title of the book and the book cover. The title of the book and the book cover, you really want to pay attention to that when you're compiling your materials. You really want to pay attention to that. So what is the title of the book and what's the book cover design? So you could come here and look at winning product. Look at this particular product. Oh my god, this product has 13,000 reviews. I mean 13,000 reviews, and it's just $10. Let's look at it. Jeez, this is crazy. The bad seed, right? And what is the book about? This is the book about the bad seed. The bad seed, how bad? Do you really want to know? This is a blah 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 blah. This is like the description of the book. You want to read that and read all of that. And there are two authors, so it's just $10 and has 13,000. How many sales already? We won't know, but look at the reviews. For 13,000 people to review this at 4.7 star rating, that means that this book is super amazing. You yourself, you even want to check out that book, right? And people are going to pay for this book. People are going to pay for this book. So what you want to do is, why is this book trendy? You look at the title, and this is something that has to do with the children category, and look at the vibe of the book cover. And you can really hire a graphic designer, probably a graphic designer from Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, just go to Upwork and look for graphic designers from Nigeria. They can really make amazing book covers for you. If you're already in Nigeria, graphic designers from Nigeria are super amazing. You can do this yourself, even if you want to do it yourself, by just using canva.com. I'll make subsequent videos around. I think I made a video around Canva and how to use Canva to make designs, and just design your own book cover. If you feel like you can't get it right, you just hire a graphic designer to do that for you, and you have the amazing book cover like this, and that's all. The 20 to 30 pager is cool. And then you just look at why is your book trending. The bad seed, which is a very curious topic. Bad seed is like a curious topic, and it creates curiosity for this kind of category. If you want to write children's book, you want to create that curiosity in your book titling, and you want to lay emphasis on it. Your book titling in Amazon should also reflect on your book cover. It has a lot to say about your book. And then your description, you just want to swipe ones that are working. Here, when you come to this platform, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You don't want to create a new system. What works to you? You want to be the original guy. What you want to do first is look at what is working and model it for yourself. What is working, and you have to model it for yourself. Use a very direct and curious topic, and then use it also for your book titling. Have a very weird, most times I've discovered on Amazon that books that really sell is book cover that really perform very well are very weird book cover that has a very weird picture image like this one. You could see this very weird guy here, and the title is so weird. I mean, so those weird stuff has this level of curiosity creating people, and will make people want to like check out your product, check out your book, and pay for it and get access to it. And that's exactly what you want to explore in this journey. However, I know what I just shared with you right now is very, very powerful. And it could change a lot of things for you in your business. It could change a lot of things for you, and it could make you a lot of money. But spending like 10 minutes on YouTube will not make me show you everything. There are a lot of things you want to do step by step. How to even get, for those who are in Africa or those who are in Nigeria, how to get $1 account to receive your money, how to set up these things, how to receive your money in dollars straight to your bank account, how to set up all of these processes, how to create a very good, amazing book covers, how to create amazing titles, how to research on categories and topics that are very trendy that make you a lot of money in no distant time, and how to even set your pricing. For example, if you set your pricing to anything less than $2, it's around $2 or less than $2, you're going to have up to 75% royalty. That means you're going to make more money from it. But if you start listing a very costly product, raise it up to $10 and all of those stuff, the royalty level you're going to have is going to drop. So what you want to do is, for a startup, you want to place your book pricing below that pricing. You wouldn't have known this if it's your very first time. So there are a lot of things I want to mention to you in a program that my friend has already prepared. It's not my program. My friend has prepared one of the amazing best-selling Amazon KDP programs, and I want to give you access to it. So there is a link that will be on the description below. Hit the description below, or aka I'll probably put the link in front of this video right now. But to make it very easy for you, just head over to the description part of this video. Wherever you're watching this video, on YouTube, on Facebook, the link should be somewhere around the description. Click on that link and jump on it. There's a massive discount going on for that product. Click on that link and get access to it. Getting access to it is also going to get a lot of other bonuses from me. So I don't want you to miss it. Click the link, go through it. There are a lot of bonuses that my friend has already prepared for you, and I want you to rush it right now before the price increases. A lot of his students have made thousands of dollars doing this exact thing I told you, selling books of $2, $1 and above on Amazon KDP. You just have to write the book once and you upload it, and forever you're going to make money off it if you just do it right. Forever. You don't need to even update the book or rewrite the book or do anything. Just one time or publish it, you're good. You can go and mind out of your business. It's not something you're going to work on every single day of your life. And you're going to make a lot of money from it. So I don't want you to miss this opportunity. So make sure you grab it with your both hands. Click on that link. You're going to get access to it. And thank you very much for watching this video today with me. See you in the next video, and I hope you make money off this opportunity. Don't miss it. Click the link below and get access to it. See you in my next video, and bye.